Good day everyone! So for today's video, we will know about the difference between the waterfall and agile models. The waterfall and agile models are two distinct approaches to software development, each with its own methodologies, strengths, and weaknesses. According to research, the waterfall model is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. The typical phases includes requirement analysis, system design, implementation, integration and testing, deployment, and maintenance.
And the strengths of waterfall model, there are four strengths. The clear structure, predictability, good for large projects, and easier to manage. And also, there are weaknesses of waterfall model. The inflexibility, slow adaptation to changes, late testing, and not ideal for uncertain requirements.
And now let's move on to agile model. According to research again, it is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. Agile follows principles from the Agile Manifesto, emphasizing collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptive planning. And Agiles have a key components or methodologies. It has Scrum, Kanban, and extreme programming.
And the strengths of agile model, the flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, early bug detection, and better risk management. And also, there are weaknesses of agile model. It requires close collaboration, difficult to predict cost and time, not ideal for large-scale projects without clear structure and dependency on skilled teams.
And now let's move on to the comparison between the waterfall versus agile. First feature, approach. In waterfall model, it is sequential and structured.
And in agile, it is iterative and flexible.
Flexibility. In waterfall model, it is low.
In agile model, it is high flexibility.
Customer involvement. In waterfall model, it is minimal and mainly at the start.
In agile, continuous feedback and collaboration.
Change management. In waterfall model, this is difficult and costly.
And in agile, it is easily adaptable. This is the
Project,
right.
project size suitability. In waterfall model, it works best for large, well-defined projects.
In agile, ideal for small to medium-sized evolving projects.
In time to market, waterfall model has a longer.
In agile, it is faster.
Testing phase. In waterfall model, it is done after the development is complete.
In agile, continuous throughout development.
Lastly, in risk management, waterfall model has a high risk due to late stage testing.
In agile, it has lower risk due to frequent iterations.
In conclusion, use waterfall if the project has well-defined requirements, minimal expected changes, and clear timelines. For example, government or regulatory projects.
On the other hand, use agile if the project requires continuous updates, user feedback, and rapid delivery of working features. For example, mobile app development, startups, or software with evolving requirements.
So that would be all, and thank you everyone for watching. Just like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights about the project management.